Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. Today we're installing something on my 4th gen 4Runner. Thanks to LASFIT for sending them out this switch panel that I'm using for my car. Right now I have two Oxy-Beam fog lights and a 42-inch light bar. The control panel, don't really have one, but light bar is right here. Oxy-Beam switch is right here, but it just lost the tape, so this is why I'm getting the LASFIT right here. So thanks for LASFIT for sponsoring this video. As we open the box, we got the LASFIT instruction manual. And this is all the packaging we have right here. Wiring for the switch panel. And let me just say, this thing is built very well. It's not plastic, it's metal. It feels super durable. Very clicky buttons as well too. And then mount for it as well. All the wiring and accessories. Here is the breaker box. And here is the box itself, the fuse box for the LASFIT panel. So here is everything out of the box. Comes with over around 100 stickers, which is insane. So ditch lights, light bar, insane. So that's what I'm gonna use. First, we're gonna unplug this disaster in the engine bay. So let's get to untaking that out. So this is the mess I have in my 4Runner. These are all the wires just taped together. Fog lights right there. Light bar wires coming up from here. So we're gonna have to untake all of this right here. Cut the wires, put them into the box right there. So let's get to working. Before I start messing with these wires, I'm gonna unconnect them to the batteries. So what you need is a 10mm and unscrew this, and then we'll unconnect them so we don't get electrocuted. Cut the wires. All of this stuff is coming out, which is insane. It makes it look so much cleaner. So there's the wires for the light bar. Got those cut. Light bar, if you are plugging in, it's gonna go into the number 2 switch right there. So it's gonna be right there. And if you have ditch lights, they're gonna be going into number 4 switch, which is 10A right there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So the right red. And that's where we're gonna plug the... Alrighty, so I'm getting all the wires out. There's the center console, old light bar switch, Oxy-Beam switch, taking all this stuff out. And I'm gonna probably connect the switch panel right here. So what I saw, Canadian Gearhead, go check him out, sweet off-roading guy. He put his switch panel right here and tilted it like that right there. So that's what I'm probably gonna do. So this is all of the wires that I will not be needing anymore. Like, this is just insane. It makes it look so much cleaner. I got the whole center console out and the bottom as well right there. So we're gonna be running the wires. So let's get them connected. Let's drill the circuit box on top of the circuit box lid. Okay, I got everything connected to the fuse box lid on the 4Runner. Here is the control box, and then here is the circuit breaker right here. So put the circuit box on this left side, and then the small red wire goes to the circuit box, to the circuit breaker. And then on this side, you're gonna take the black wire, put it to the positive, and then the red wire goes here, goes to the negative. And then you're gonna put your light bar and any accessories you put in here. And then right here, you get this cord, plug into here, and then this is gonna go into the fuse box right here. Unfortunately, we're getting rid of the Raptor lights. Got this attached. Got the light bar installed, the wires, and then I got the ditch lights in there as well too. So everything's looking super, super clean. You don't see a big blob of cords. Now we're gonna be attaching or connecting the switch panel to the breaker box. So got the wires through the firewall, ran up to the fuse box. I'm uninstalling the Raptor lights, and I had to plug it in right there. So there's the new wire, ran it down. Here is the switch panel, and we're gonna plug it in and see if this all works. Everything is wired right now. We're gonna turn it on and all right. So I set, because the voltage light bar is gonna be this one in amber. So amber, and then light bar. Light bar, and then there's the amber. I control it all just with that, which is sweet. And then let's say I want to turn both of them off. Just press this button right here. Let's say I want to do strobe. I hold it. I hold it one more time. No, I want it green right there. I want to do this one green, but this one no. I want to hold this. And look at that. It's strobe, and then this one's regular. And I can set it. Here's what we got right now. It's wired underneath. It's perfect. So like when I'm resting, I can just on and off. And then this is just gonna go right into the middle in there. So let me put everything together, and then we'll call it a day. Got it all wired in. Can't see any wires here. All wired underneath and down. So looks very, very clean. When we start it up, pops right on. So I'm gonna put the stickers on, the ditch lights here, and the light bar is right here. Look at that, that is sweet. Stay tuned, I'm gonna be adding some more switches to these. Need a 40-inch light bar on the top, so definitely gonna get one of those.